Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 19 of snowing through January with my minis. And I am so excited because I know we're going to finish at least one and maybe two, but we shall see what the dice says. So let's open up my little book. We're going to put our $7 in that I'm bringing every day in the month of January. I haven't decided what I'm going to bring for February. I did decide that I'm going to do February. I just don't know what I'm going to bring for cash each day. I might not know until it gets a little bit closer to the end of the month. Talk with Babe and see what we can work out and all the unemployment checks and blah, blah, blah. So once we get that sorted out, I'm going to come with a set dollar amount for the whole month because that made it really easy with the prop coins. All right, so we are going to start here at number 2. We've got my D3 dice and $7 worth of prop coins with 25 cents, 50 cents, and 2 75 centers. I don't know why I try to be silly and it just fails. Okay, so 1 for 2, 2 for 3. No, 3 for 3. That works too. All right, so how are you doing? How was your weekend? Ooh, 4 got 3. 1, ooh, 5 got 3. 6 got 1. 1, 2, 3, 7 got 3. 8 got 1. 9 got 2. 10 got 3, which means 1 is getting 1, but at least we got all the way through. And we'll leave the paper clip on number 2. All right. Brian, I'll let you hang out here. There you go. All right, so let's see. 1 got 25 cents. And this one is from Amy by Nature, little space dude. This will save us $2 when we're done. All right. And then 2 got 25 cents. This one is from Budgeting with Bree, 1487. One more fried egg off the board. And then we have 75 cents going into number 3. Ooh, this is from Emzo Budgets. Let's get that bread. We can do one more row. So we have 75 more cents and this one will be done. Okay. And then number 4. Ooh, number 4 got $1.25. This one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So 25, 50, 75, $1.25. This will save us 5 and we're done, but it's all got the whole top row done now. I used to get the soft pretzels that you could get in like the frozen section. I don't remember who makes it. And I bought some, I don't know, maybe a couple months ago. And I swear they changed their recipe and I don't like it. It's like not what I used to eat growing up. So I was a little disappointed. All right, number 5 got $1. This is Becca Budget 777. Don't meow with me. I'm not kidding around. It's an angry little kitty. So we can do 25, 50, 75, and $1. And then this one will save us $6 when we are done. Okay, number 6 got 25 cents. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can just cross off one stack of books at the bottom. All right. Ooh, $1 for number 7. Oh, this is the one we only needed 25 cents. This is from Saving with Sam. So you can put that back. So we have 75 cents going into the next one. That saved us $5. So extras, let's see what we got. This one, yes. This is Financial Dreams with Christine. Saving is most triumphant. Oh my gosh, Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. That's dating. myself. All right, so we can do 75 cents. So 25, 50, and 75. I can't remember the phone booth. Is that because they went in and that's when they traveled time, or I don't know. I don't remember. All right, number 8 got 25 cents. This one is Savings with Tracy. Little Mardi Gras. Color in 1 set of beads. 75 and 25 for number 9. So that's $1 for KK budgets. So 25, 50, 75, $1. So 50 more cents, and then this one will be done. All right, and then last but not least, ooh, another $1 going into number 10. This gorgeous one from Danny at Craft Co Budgets. All right, so that is that. We finished one. It's the one I thought we'd finish, so that's pretty awesome. But that's $5 we get to put into our completed. So I think I have a 5. Yes, so we'll take that 5. We'll put our prop coins in here. We were going to flip to the back and put our $5 in completed and our completed challenge there. This is so fun. Oh, okay, so exciting. All right, you guys, let me know if you finished anything today. I'm excited that some of you are doing this with me. How fun. I love it so much. So I hope you guys have an awesome week and join me tomorrow for day 20. So until next time, take care. Bye.